When you consider muscles, you likely imagine your biceps or those defined six-pack abdominal muscles. However, your body actually utilizes three entirely different types of muscles for various complex tasks. Each of these muscle categories possesses a totally unique job description within your biological framework. The first category we encounter is known as skeletal muscle, which is vital for movement. These muscles are attached directly to your skeleton, acting as the primary levers for motion. They are the specific muscles you have total control over throughout your daily waking life. If you want to raise your hand, your brain sends a precise signal to them. Because you choose to move these muscles, scientists classify them as voluntary muscle tissue. Under a powerful microscope, these fibers appear striped, earning them the scientific name of striated. Next, we find smooth muscles, which operate automatically within your internal organs to handle digestion. You do not need to think about these muscles, as they work silently behind scenes. They manage the rhythmic contractions required to process nutrients and keep internal systems running smoothly. These muscles look smooth under a microscope and are found throughout your stomach and intestines. They also line your blood vessels, ensuring that circulation continues without any conscious effort required. Finally, we encounter the specialized cardiac muscle, a tireless and involuntary powerhouse within your chest. This type of muscle is found in only one place in your entire human body. It is located exclusively in your heart, acting as the engine that sustains your life. Like smooth muscle, it is completely involuntary, meaning it functions without your direct mental input. However, this specific muscle is built like a tank, designed for extreme durability and strength. It is engineered to contract and relax rhythmically over 100,000 times every single day. Imagine performing 100,000 bicep curls in a single day. Your arms would surely fail, but your cardiac muscle is uniquely designed for this kind of endless, rhythmic, and powerful endurance. It functions with incredible precision, from your very first breath until the end of life. Understanding these three distinct systems is the essential first step toward appreciating your complex machinery. It is this machinery that allows you to walk across a room with perfect fluid grace. It is also what allows you to breathe deeply and simply exist in this physical world. By exploring how these fibers collaborate, we uncover the deep secrets of human motion today. We also discover the incredible endurance that is built directly into our very own biology. While your skeleton provides the sturdy framework, it remains a stationary scaffold without real purpose. It sits motionless until your muscles pull the levers, transforming potential energy into kinetic action. Comprised of over 600 individual muscles, this complex network is a marvel of engineering. This vast system accounts for nearly 40% of your total body weight in adult. We categorize these biological engines into three distinct types to better understand their internal functions. First, we have skeletal muscles, which you control voluntarily to move bones through space daily. These are the muscles you consciously engage when you walk, reach, or lift heavy weight. They respond instantly to your brain's commands, allowing for intricate and highly coordinated physical movements. Without these voluntary muscles, you would be unable to interact with the world around you. Next, consider the smooth muscles, which are the silent workers of your internal organ systems. They work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure your body processes the food you eat. They are essential for maintaining the flow of blood through your complex network of vessels. You never have to remind your stomach to digest your lunch. It happens automatically today. This automatic nature is what makes them so vital for your long-term health and survival. Finally, the cardiac muscle stands alone as the most resilient engine in your entire body. It beats with a steady, rhythmic pulse that never falters, even when you are sleeping. This constant activity is necessary to deliver oxygenated blood to every cell in your body. The cardiac muscle is truly a testament to the power of specialized biological tissue design. It never experiences fatigue in the same way that your skeletal muscles do after exercise. This allows your heart to maintain its critical function throughout your entire lifetime without stopping. By studying these three types, we gain a deeper respect for our own physical capabilities. Each category serves a unique purpose that contributes to your overall health and daily function. Whether you are running a race or simply resting, these muscles are always working hard. The skeletal system provides the structure, but the muscular system provides the necessary driving force. Together, they form a partnership that defines the limits of what your body can achieve. We are just beginning to scratch the surface of how these biological motors actually function. There is so much more to learn about the intricate fibers that make movement possible. Stay tuned as we continue to crack open the hood of this incredible biological machine. We will explore how these muscles pull on bones to create the motion you desire. The science of human movement is truly fascinating when you look at the microscopic level. Prepare to dive deeper into the mechanics of how your body moves with such ease. Let us continue our journey into the powerhouse of your body and keep on learning. Building upon this foundation, the mechanics of movement rely on the golden rule that muscles pull. Muscles can never push. They only exert force by shortening their length to create physical motion. Because they function like a string, skeletal muscles must operate in perfectly coordinated antagonistic muscle pairs. In this arrangement, one muscle contracts to pull a bone while its partner relaxes to allow. These muscles are anchored firmly to your skeleton by tendons which act as high-strength biological cables. These tendons are capable of handling immense physical force during your most strenuous daily athletic activities. Deep within these tissues, microscopic proteins called actin and myosin slide past each other like combs. These interlocking filaments generate the raw force required for every movement you make each day. Every time you exercise, you create tiny, microscopic tears in these complex, resilient muscle fiber bundles. Your body repairs these small tears during periods of rest to build even greater muscular strength. By fueling this system with proper nutrition and hydration, you ensure your engine runs at peak. This allows you to stay active, strong, and curious about the marvels of your own anatomy.